ye. Yewura Mahama na mamuo na obu no. Eni kwan so man ye wonwa because odikan ka kire Ghana fo ono de oba obeye. John edikan ka kire Ghana fo nyina de ono oba abeyo. Enti wo a wante ase wo kasako am. Na wudi a kire koto nkwase aba no. Ne ade na hyewa ehyehyɛ wa atra ho ma ne hyehyɛ because wa na hope because oka ye eka si ni pi se oba be wi abebokoro no oka ye na wante because abre no na sabi ahokyere bi aba wo wiase amansan mu nyina nti no na wotan na na do danko akufu ado sabre no na wotan yewura Dr. Bawomia sabre no na wodwene se na na do danko akufu ado na timo odanti na wo ho kyerɛ wo. And for that reason, and some of Mahama no, none of the people was listening to the real meaning. Some of Panicano. Now, Mam for and Shadan Transin T and Tiasia. Now, all is about Yen Toa Bamfantia and PP because, and this is what to me, the introne, the Achem Crofon, and I would have team. Jene, say, yes, you've been tracing on one cup some fun, Jene. And decide whom to vote for. Na baba yentokwa. But whatever Sami Jamfi, Sam George, Okuja Tabrakwa, and all the other propagandists, Ombekambiano, that were the main informations. And the ane kosu wo mainum. A teacher for na yafo na juma ye pia wonka. Nurse for na yafo na juma ye pia wonka. School so na yesi. One district, one factory, and a manner to create job. Aye. Sabio agenda 111 and anke di nyume beba manes for nye juma ye constantly. Sane mani nyina sabre no mu no na ye ntiase because ye se kom de yam. In fact, they be mbisa me ho say dear parent and cryfo, 1 hour 10 cryo, man kasa gafo, that be many a tribe, may yene residential. Dear parent and cryfo, and as a cape cosufo, a cotua but to me the Majo Mahama. Obi or him when him etimicatcher mo say, ye pe Mako and Chenamne docuna dia. Osi coden. Temio. Here that get to me and take on nine so. I'm talking about Gaffo or more tinknai. When I want to Cape Coast Infante 4, anyone I want to Cape Coast Infante Sass so. Here Mahama to me here when you can't tell them say. Ye mon dear doconin chinam and a mopadi, a young coswani in Kanko and a more. And see a cotua bano. Mutu mi kata when you koto abade ma John Mahama, and it is very sad. So uti ufie, uti ukrom, utu wahembo buano. Na enipa dasani to me sore nante na nine so ba ufie be di watem. Ebe kandi opede chiro. Na osono sabio bivinti utumi accept say ye ni watem. Na utumi san koto aba ededa nipa na se se waba ukruma bedi watem se wo hia nkoso na wo hia nchinam ene dokono na koto aba edema nipa na manenwene na obetena konwa so sa wo so pe aduane na adi oba aye no wakosi sai mo edi free India ene China abegu omanum at a cheaper price kodibi na kawa no tum because that is what he promised you. O can't tell. O can't tell the oba be your dear man, wow, ten cry. Wow, take up Kusumai moon infant, my moo. He would have Mahama and fancy you. Can't tell so about no dear. And Chinam ne docono, and I was a fata. Me mame, Nana, a queer afro. Afro papa Moaquaba pa, Sansona Emmanuel a day, also Moaquaba. Papa no eka na numa asem ye erichire eye na ye asodren na ya mpene nsem na oka na ntie ana ye ntie na asopam ena di yen abesi babia ya duru. I'm telling you today, and mark it on the wall. Unless you decided not to think, or you decided not to listen to what Mahama told people in the campaign time. Asembia papa ne ka ye no. Na eye kre se o dwa nanum, o tintro, o ka biagum, o kansemfo kwa. But still we say no, we are going to vote for him because Mahama is the hope. He is the hope. He is the hope. And I didn't so ekoto by the man. And then papa buy ye, me about the man. Dear Ben, and ekoso. How are the things going? Neman eko say. Neman say ni sikro. Say na usihu neman. Remember, Mahama di kan kantre Ghana ni biya se ye yena yu de free. I say Ghanaians, no, we are short memory association. Sa sabna papa ne kan ye no. Say ye man fufuro bi so a nka they would have, I mean, force him to apologize to the citizens. Because eya temudie kese pa. So the papa ne nim se momo ya refrefo. Until din throne the chiro kra na within a shorter possible time, you are going to what? Forget about it. Obokro no kura poti se den bit say Airbus scandal. Ah there say onkoto lupremra okoto baaye no. Na lupre no na taban baako ne bo edene esene alupre ni nyina. Enso yesi ewure free. The Northern Region Accelerated Development Fund, SADA, ekosi saying Ghana for yesi ewure free confirm na to call NTN so member no so ayedai atuko. Bas Brandon 3 million Ghana cedis. Yedi hu sika eno so Ghana for yesi yedai ewure free only on fanko. Eastern Corridor Road. Ye de she budget team emfie maako nan afibia na yetwa sika e de ma Eastern Corridor Road. Ye course ye kwa akohwe no na ye nye ka akwa ne ba akokora. Ghana Cocoa Rose and this for the D sika wo cocoa board nyina ya nye ba akokora. Sagrami project 270 million. E dan no e ye danto e na egu nwuram. But all these things, it to me catch there, you say you will free. You will free. So we are going to vote for John Mahama to come back. And Odiaba. Any place so bebano. What he can't say. We Jimmy for. So better say, now what gonna say, oh no. With 4 years, Oba, no best son, oh my and the amount. Or say it is never possible. I say, this man told us everything. Obie na no kanche will say, this we Jimmy Fuans and what to me ajia to mu say. Obi be to me the 4 years pe me or say Anthony Mwakwaba. Asesa Ghana mine e dia mawa sa nipa no. We Jimmy Fuans and what to me ajia DBNT sadi. So what was the sources of him coming for 4 years? But Ghana for see ante. Yes, ante. Ti asemo kan eti.
So be ebe show bo kese se afene fa obesesa Ghana kaje nipa no so oboa ebi se enye no kre yekohwe amanone yehwe US Europe UK sa enkro na edru bebi o medru no ukohwe omo abakosem mu a they are about 300-400 years old. almost near family, almost family, and said no more do baby, no. Development is a process. Ye end this before ye tia sesa. Enti eba ye nhye boa ye ntimi ndi so. Ye ka se ye be ma musio, ye be ma mudwa foforo, ye be ma mo kwan, ye be twe kane amamo.
Yes, mpacho ti audio no pa. Shout audio no ye. Shout asema papa ikaye. Or say, don't ever allow anybody to tell you, say, in 4 years, he will change your country for you. But that the same man was campaigning to become a president for 4 years. And I trust in the too. And I got to a ham. Your man, even super majority in parliament. Say, on farmer, ne heart desire, dear Nakoma pe. A man, you know, he stood up and told us, say, you can never do anything in 4 years. But still, we did not listen to the sense of what he wanted to tell us. And then, and I had to fire call home. And your man, Nina, a yen, a day, ye to fire kong home. Abusia, ya same when Kwana Mahama can you. Or can you actually? He told us everything. Osan can send for be said. President made me a promise, say, oh, mokrono. But a obvious to say. Sa president no nye ono na be den ebebo krono no but ni wianom no de omo ebebo krono o si ni wianom e no de omo bebo krono tie
knows about this, you know, and that's why he says, I'm too old to be corrupt. I'm not going to steal your money, because he knew his relatives would steal the money for him. And that's exactly what's happening. You know, he can go to a plush retirement because of Oyata and Gabi, and everybody will look after him. Mamti and Co will all look after him. The president knows about.
Yes. Entity asuma president kan Ohio. Asemo ye yankase ye wura. John Dariga e kan asemo no opposition. O say aban no ayefane na nado danko akufo ado no ebetimi da no akase ono no onye obi e proye ne kankan e wone side. Aso betumi aka because nanado nwianom ebebo kro no agu ho e madaachi bi okona homegie mu a ono nanado no will live a life for so loss adentia ni nwianom abokro no e de agu ho e de amano sabre we ye ka asemwe sabre yura Mahama ka asemwe de akire nanado no nanado emfa contract bi mfa ma ni nwia 1 nanado emfa binding site bi emma ni nwia 2 sabre no mo no nanado entna ase emma sabio ma enen site a company bi ye adwuma wo so be 40 years yen kwaji frisa company ni nsam emfa nkoma new entrance emma ni ye but na John Mahama was saying say nanado ne nebusiamfo ebo amai no krono that nanado de nebusiamfo na ebo krono said the bay on nanado ne din ya ma bonte but ene ura Mahama ti akonwam ene enyuma na Ibrahim Mahama ntumi nye enyuma na if you go by yen can say a requirement and answer by say we were available tools to do the job no Sanyuma na Ibrahim Mahama ntumi nye be say 1.5 months ago no ene papa no tumi ye mane eye mienu tumi mining site mienu boom at once etumi to private alupre at once boom e mane ye na se nipa ne bi no ma o kan asem wo ya eya na omo se ye oye Ghana ni adentia Ghana ni ba wanya oman no enso adwuma ya ye wo ya miwia Ibrahim Mahama adwuma oye na nya me ye o, but I stand to be a man of principle. De na nye wo nra no eni kwan se ye ne enra de na enye no ana eye even lower than sanema we no ana ye se enye no eni kwan se na ye ebiri de wo he se Jekuma Nanando Danko Akufo-Addo ne baba ekoji restaurant wo airport se ono anuane wo ho aton na eni beye state capture. Then how do you want me to consider a fact to say just within 1 year of John Mahama presidency, New Ibrahim Mahama atumi at the mining site mienu at once. Asia to me sika kwakoto private jet at once. I don't know any conflict of interest. And Chiwa soon consider na papa yi kan ho. Huh? Yesi uti uwi yesi so wi kwakuoti a yesi se utrimu fita utrima aboanwe something like that. Say utrimu say ye fita utrima aboa enkaw. Mr. Say what makes Mahama think at the first beginning said Nanado is steering Ghana with his family members. This is because that is the way that he does. Because Bironya Kwamba ye even vice president Timpono. Ghana for kwakoto pren wo UK no. Omani wia na oye Ghanaian born child oye adopted by UK married family B. Ebie company wo UK ebe ye intermediate edema Ghana in acquisition of the private of aeroplanes for the country. Enti ye ni sunu ne ban Mahama ni sunu ne ban so obedi akonyo onya tumi a oni ni wianom e na operate to steal. Enti na otiabonten no he was thinking say Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo too has the same manner of operandums. Enti na osu no enu nti ana osu no na eye ne yasesa bio Nanado betumi anya akwanya aye de ono John Darega pese onye na wontumi nye abusuafo ena Mahama betra akonwa mu within a shorter possible time. Look at how Ibrahim Mahama has raised to. Now Ibrahim Mahama kofa John Mahama private jet na odi to kwan na ye ka kire mo a mosi da bi na we na wunwia wo private jet anka wonfa masa tiemi ye John Mahama so ko visit another country omo president ya enye ne personal trip and will take you. He is going on official duty. And a president, every official assignment obey piano, he say or mine no team taking care of that. I oblige say or mine no and be taking in charge of all the cost involved for every official assignment of my penino ebe take on. And how come say a state called a Ghana country state FN Ghana ankasa intimate take care of his president. Now an individual or a brother and they take care of the president of the country. Abusia same way akura ye won nra o ka kire na on jinni there is something behind. There is something behind. O ka na ferisofo su kwa she na foot se o kire be na wa me ne kusie na wa betra se ne ho tietia se di ball na o ka kire wo na Ghana de ye to patron kwa na de ma private jet. It is not possible. Either the president promised his brother of something, and as a private jet, Lankasania Mahama dear care courtesy. Yem kra now letter. Na yana ne address no. O ya no actually C slash O. Care courtesy of Ibrahim Mahama. Because kwanya papa no fast so within shorter possible time otimi koto alupre no asem no mu edwi. But o kan enkrofo no bi no mo anya kakra o mo tafre. Tiemi yo. Enkrofo bi o mo anya kakra bi o mo tafre no. They don't want to reason. Energy me ene ye di o mo ye nkwase adwuma e de bo man no kro no. Ebini Sami Jamfi, ebini Ferisofusu Kwache, ebini Sam George, ebini Okuja Tabrakwa, ebini Sam NDC communicators ya. Kakra bi omo anya omo tafre nti. Abusiankuo bi area o minor japade ne yendache. They are out there defending it because of kakra bi e de ama omo a omo tafre. Chimi. Temi yepa. Because of kakra bi e de ama omo tafre nti no, they are now defending a thief, an armed robber. Family omo ye armed robbers since their father's time. No, mutimi bokro no de kopokro no wo generator ho. A Greek minister utimi we generator. Ewo mu DNA. But no benyan kwasiafo bi no kakra bi a omo tafri nti no, they are defending a family was say they want to collapse Ghana. And if anything will go on, ade bi ebekoso o man no mu bia no, e say the Mahama family must be involved. And yes sir, enkoso into your economy. Your main economy has been shifted into mining. Any Ibrahim Mahama akusiano. Say the better control position, Kurana. We will still command or we will still govern the economy of the country. Nabina miye panini kusibu afoka asembi. Say NDC for ye parasite. Omo ye parasite bia. Their manner of operandum, they don't steal just on the contract of today. They steal with some contract. Even when they go in opposition, they are still going to what? They are still going to benefit from those contracts that they have already signed. They say power plant agreement. They were earning even when they were in opposition because that contract it always going back into their coffers. That is the same thing that they are planning today. Etine, John Mahama say no mokro no, but wasuma Ibrahim Mahama with favoritism. Emane bokro no. Enti 3 years yeda yanim. John dramani Mahama niwia ewo. Mining site mienu a omubetu gold na for 3 years. Abanfu fro bi ba na otumi gifri ni nsema waje. Ontumi anje amfri ni nsema, they will keep on and they will become more richer. Because how can you tell me say gold feather, what to gold wo? Ghana maimu emfiebe se 50 years ni. Ono onya ho kan de odebetu gold. Na mbom Ibrahim Mahama ono no ye adwuma de ma gold feather no ono mom na won niema so de be ye adwuma miwia ba de ma obanyansafo ye bunu be na ye nka na sem. The conflict of interest was John Mahama and Ibrahim Mahama acquisition of the mining site. Ye ka monti ase no. Hey ya, me I'm not against Ghanaian men having a big business in the country. I prefer that. But there are a lot of mining companies in the country. There are a lot of mining companies in the country, but they decided to give it to Ibrahim Mahama. Abra Ghana fokasa ye no. Almost your more be at also be a measure so to me to 5 days. 5 days to prepare your document, submit them, say they be a mining site be sure. Who can prepare those documents in just 5 days or 7 days? Nobody. And this is what a criminal organization or more turning or more into political party or more loot to the people in the society. Now, Ghana for na ya na yepe. Papa no ba no ka kire mo. O se ono de It was a campaign now. It didn't talk a crack. Aye, tie. Tie asemo kan ha. Ya na yampa tie.
You know, say it drew election time na amanyoko bia epre. Nti ne obeka bia ama nipa akoma adane ama o eno na obeka. Nti entra now they film. No cry now they film. Ya de frefra. No cry no ho yenka na ya de intro film.
Aha. Enti no kura no ho yenka nkyerɛw. Na ye tin tro no the firm. And enti etimi promise you say ye ba ye be post teachers directory, nurses directory. Ye be ba be create 24-hour economy. Adwuma baako enipa miensa na be ye women's bank. Why we gave you a lot of promises, but in a na ye ntro. Okaye. Ye na yampanti. Osini nyina na ye de be na ye ntro. Na ye ka de betumi ama nipa da sani akodi lie so ayeden ato aba edi ama no. That is the only reason. There was no other reason behind. He knew that he cannot do them because when he can't catch so untumi fan and fiem and nine and sawo my money ye because UK for America for almost the best 20 almost the best 200 300 400 years of democracy. But you sat down for the man to lie to you after he has told you, say it is something impossible to think about it. And also there who soon so much no. Mimia, tinamuna soon. Tinamuna soon I would deserve so besu because why you bro? I was on Tramuna Unsu. Tramuna soon. Utramuna Usua. But the bomb so that. And you pay Cansama. You pay Cansama. Udia Yasem.